Can you imagine waking up and watching the sunrise over these million-dollar mountain views? 29054 Mangy Moose is a Rocky Mountain custom-built estate that has it all. Sitting on over 5 private acres, this legacy property offers something for everyone. For the outdoor enthusiast, the gardener, the entertainer, and even the creator, this custom home was created for you. I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips Team at Keller Williams Foothills Realty, and I'd like to take you on a tour of this incredible one-of-a-kind property. This custom log cabin features a metal roof, solid wood floors, vaulted plank ceilings, warm, spacious living areas, and an incredible 2-story stone fireplace. A separate dining area just off the living and kitchen area offers ease in entertaining your guests. The office, tucked away off the dining room, is ideal for those working remote. The spacious master suite, additional bath, and laundry room are conveniently located on the main floor. Up the custom log staircase, you will be greeted with the bright and airy loft, open to the living area, creating an additional living and play area. 3 bedrooms and an additional bath upstairs feature the same vaulted ceilings and custom wood beams. Just a stone's throw away, Pike National Forest, Pine Valley Open Space, and the Buffalo Creek Wilderness area boast for endless hiking and biking trails waiting for your next adventure. Fly fishing enthusiasts, we've got you covered. This home is in the heart of fly fishing country with the South Platte River running through the Pine Valley Park. Only 10 minutes from 285 and local shopping, you get mountain living with easy access to downtown. Got a green thumb? There's a spacious greenhouse waiting for your imagination. If you collect cars, work on cars, or are a creator of any type, this massive warehouse is perfect for you. And entertaining is a breeze with the spacious flagstone patio and stone fire pit just off the wraparound porch. Talk about a Rocky Mountain high. Bring your dreams, bring your imagination. This home is waiting for you. For more information on this property or to schedule an appointment, reach out to us at phillipsteamco.com.